Your public sector guide to AI. From prompting to real-world use cases to ethics and policy, here's how to use AI for good. It's completely normal to feel a bit hesitant towards AI because in the public sector you need to have a human voice that's trusted. There's also a big misconception that it's here to replace the human voice. It's not. Here are some examples of always keeping a human in the loop. When it comes to AI, protecting your voice is super important and you don't want to sound like a robot. Here are some ways you can do that. If you think AI is only good for drafting social posts, you're missing out. Here are a few ideas to save yourself some time while protecting your creative freedom. Getting poor results from AI is usually down to a bad prompt. To get high quality, public sector ready outputs, stop treating AI like a search engine and start treating it more like a digital colleague. Here are some tips. That's all for now. For more advice, sign up to our free webinar or download our guide.